In our school, there are 300 students and only 10 to 15 people whom the title of teachers are given. But why do students need to rely on those few people? Why can't students realize there's a teacher in them?
So the crazy and weird parts of you don't have to change because someone says so. The crazy and weird parts of you can stay because that's what makes you special.
Today, I'm going to share a few insights on how I invented a device to detect silent heart attacks using bioelectrics.
Gifted is not a starting point. Intelligence contracts and expands based on the challenges that we see for ourselves.
When I first stepped foot on a plane fleeing my country, Burundi, I knew that I was leaving behind me a part of me that I would never forget.
The concept of talking to yourself is surrounded by this stigma. When someone walks in on us talking to ourselves, we feel attacked. But why?
We see difference as something bad and conformity as something good.
Everyone has the right to be themselves, even if who they are differs from the norm. Even if the person they are isn't who you think they should be.
More people are concerned with why women stay in abusive relationships than why men are abusing them.
I am just a 16-year-old girl who wants my family and my future and my generation to always have access to something as simple and necessary as clean water.
My therapist helped me see that I couldn't provide the kind of support my friend needed. I share this story because I know I'm not the only one who's experienced this.
After a long day of school and the continuous suppression of my tics, I would rush home to my piano, knowing that each one of those 88 keys would set me free.
I did one surgery, and another, and another, and another. And if you ask me, would I want to go back in time and prevent this from happening? The answer is no.
It takes courage to grow up and become who you really want to be. A crack does not mean that